Hi, welcome back to Motor Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. That's right, first G81 touring in the building. This one actually belongs to Joe Achilles. There's a full vlog on what's been done on his channel. He'll do it better than what I can do. So we've actually had the car in for fitting Eibach front springs, 10 and 12mm spacer kit all the way round, carbon arch guards. Those parts actually came off of his previous car, the M3 Saloon X-Drive, and were fitted to this. The front springs are the same axle weight, so completely fitted. And as you can see, with the ride height of the rear, it works really well with just dropping the fronts. A real popular kit. Things we've also added, we got the Sterckenn front, which is obviously off of his previous car, detailed and protected and fitted to this car. But the new additions are the AC Schnitzer spoiler. Off came the original M Performance stick-on spoiler. Not a bad sort of go at it BMW, but the AC Schnitzer one is better. Had it painted in gloss black, and of course the AC Schnitzer rub strip, which is pretty much what you need on a touring. He will be using this car as a daily and for a number of other things he uses, so protect the paintwork. Speaking of paintwork, the guy's been hard at it, been in the detailing bay, so full complete new car correction. Coated in Crystal Serum Ultra with EXO top up. All the leathers, the wheels, face of the caliper, exhaust, all that sort of stuff's been done as well. So let's get it out, bit of B-roll, the guy's working on it. Let us know what you think of the G81. And for, like I say, a complete breakdown of what's been done, make sure you follow Joe. I'm sure you all do. Thanks a lot for watching.